guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody is having a great day so far. Halfway through the week, hump day, I decided to do some fishing, guys. So I found this little neighborhood pond that I'm gonna fish, and you guys remember I always fish rock structures. So you can see this little platform here. This is rock structure, guys, all the way around. I see a bridge here, rock structure over here, rock structure there, all the way around. So I'm gonna be casting around this area, guys, seeing if I can get crappies, bass, and bluegill. Let's get this party started. Everyone have a great day. All right, guys, so we're gonna start off fishing with the setup here, guys. This is the setup. 7-foot excursion. Get these at Walmart. This is medium action, guys, so this got a little backbone to it. I got a, I guess I just got this in yesterday, a Brutus Cast King reel. Brutus Cast King reel off of Amazon, 2000. I got some 6-pound test line, and I got a chrome rattle trap, guys. We'll start off with that. There we go, guys. Got one. I think it's a big crappie, guys. Yep, big old crappie. Big old crappie. I'm taking him home too. I didn't bring my bucket, but he's going home. Ooh, that's a nice crappie. That's probably almost a 1.5 pounds, maybe a 2-pounder. Yep. All right, guys. That's the first crappie I literally just walked down. Big old boy. I'm gonna weigh it. I'm gonna weigh it, see how much it weighs. On the treble hook, guys. On the treble hook. Remember, the treble hook is a effective lure to catch crappies. It's underestimated, but it'll get the job done. I promise you. All right, guys. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, there we go. Nice crappie, guys.
Like where?
Just out there. We're just casting out.
Oh, okay.
Little bitty lure though. So I'm gonna weigh it right quick, guys.
What bait do you use?
Wow. This one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like a fish. Yep. All right, guys. So let's weigh it. How you doing? Yeah, I got a nice crappie.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good one.
How much you weigh?
Let's see. It weighs 1 pound 5 ounces, everyone.
Yeah.
1.5. Right at 1.5 pounds. Nice crappie for a neighbor.
Very nice crappie.
Yeah, for a neighborhood.
I'm thinking and he just got here.
Huh?
I'm thinking dinner.
Some of the best tasting fish in if I'd have had my if I'd have had a little cooler, a couple of these might go home with me, but I didn't bring my cooler.
Oh darn.
I know, right? I didn't bring a stringer. Yeah.
He gets to go back in.
Yeah, he gets to go back. All right, guys. That's yep, 1 pound 5 ounces. Oh, that was a pretty big crappie there. Dang it. The best. Those are the best tasting fish in fresh water.
Yeah, I know.
Heck yeah, you can eat them. Nice bluegill, guys. Nice little bluegill on the treble hook. So I do got nice bluegills in here. They're not super. Ooh, I gotta watch that boy. He flopping. That joker will stick me. But they take home. That's a take home. If I wanted to be one. Only thing about it, I'm ready to get in some half-pounders and pound bluegill now. I've been playing with these babies for a while now. There you go, guys. Pretty little bluegill. Might be a bed over there. Who knows? If anything, see if there's any crappies or bass hanging around. But them bluegill might be right there too, though. Honestly. Yep. I felt that little tug just then. I feel them bluegill tapping. Them jokers are tapping away. There we go. Big old crappie, guy. Big old crappie right there on the edge. There we go. Got another slab crappie. Right on the edge right there. And gup. And gup. Look at that treble hook. And gup. All right, guys. We're gonna get this thing out of here without this thing hooking me. Look at that treble hook, guys. They love that 2-inch treble hook. It's down in there, guys. Hope he may not make it. God, I need my bucket. Oh boy, that one might not make it. And I didn't bring a bucket to take him home. But we don't know, we'll see. No, I don't think he's gonna make it. Don't think this one's gonna make it, guys. All right, guys, it's about the same size of that other one. It's about 1.5 pounds. There we go. Probably ain't gonna make it, guys, but I don't have anything to take it home. So we'll cross the fingers and hope it survives. It did take off. 2 crappies and 1 bluegill. Okay, guys, remember the treble hook. It does work, fellas. Ladies and gentlemen, it does work. See if we can get us another one. That joker hit right when I got right up in that grass right there. Right up in that grass. There we go. Ooh, I had another hit just then, guys. That right there might have been a big old crappie. Might have been a big old crappie right there. There we go. Bluegill. They can pull. Nice bluegill, guys. Bluegill and the crappies are hanging together. How you doing? Yeah. Okay, we're gonna let them go and get back in there. Well, I'm gonna let you guys see them. All right, guys, almost a hand size. Not quite, but there you go. Pretty little bluegill. Guys, bluegills and crappies. Let's keep it going. All right, so guys, on fishing neighborhood ponds, guys. That's all I'm doing. So you guys go to your neighborhood and start walking and start fishing. Start looking for them. There we go. Oh, I got a bluegill or a bass. Oh, it's a little sand bass, guys. A little bitty sand bass. Woo, you gonna get me hung up. You gonna get me hooked. Good Lord. Yep, that's a little sand bass for sure. If he's in here, it might be some big ones in here. Yeah, he's trying to get me hooked. There we go, a baby sand bass. Sand bass, white bass, whatever you guys want to call them, but pretty. There we go. Got another crappie. Oh, another big old slab, guys. And I'm gonna tell you something, guys. I'm gonna show you something again. Guys, when I say they love the 2-inch rattle trap, I truly mean it, guys. Y'all missing out on some good fishing. Look at that rattle trap down in there. Look, you can't even see the rattle trap, guys. It's in that mouth. All right, let's get it out of there. He's gonna make it, or she's gonna make it. Yep. I'm gonna try to do some surgical. Right. There you go, guys. There you go. Gone. I just had a hit. That was a bluegill though. I had a hit right in here. Could have been a crappie though. We're gonna see. We're about to find out. Oh, yeah, that's a bluegill. See how he bounced it? Well, y'all probably can't see it because it's getting dark, but it's more definite bluegill. There we go, got another one. Oh, another big old crappie. Oh man, look at these big boys. Look at these big old boys and girls. They all spawn out, guys, but they are in that grass. There we go, got another big old girl, a boy. On the rattle trap, guys, on the rattle trap. My go-to. My go-to. All right, guys, there go. Got us another one. Got another slab, guys. What do y'all think? These are some big crappies I'm throwing back. I hate I don't got my cooler. These could have been good for the fish fry. So guys, the rattle traps, get the job done, guys. Keep trying. Yeah, this is gonna be a short video. I came after work, so, and I hope you guys like it. But I will have a longer video coming soon, but this is gonna be a short, probably 8 to 10 minute video, guys. That's about it.